So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tyler. We are going over a tweet that Adam Aaron did put out going over that they are now accepting cryptocurrencies, and we need to talk about why I think this is a great thing for the company, for the future of the company, as well as the MOAS. Not too many people are talking about this. I want to give you guys my explanation around this, and I want to hear your guys' feedback on this. So let me know your opinion on this down below in the comment section. And after this, we are going to be going over an updated article about the dark pool trading revolving around AMC stock. So if you guys get some value out of this video, drop that like on the video, consider subscribing to the channel, as well as, like I said, let me know down below what you think about them accepting cryptocurrencies. Now let's dive straight into this video. Adam Aaron 22 hours ago said, "Huge news, Dogecoin fans. As we work to accept online crypto payments, now you can buy AMC Theaters digital gift cards up to $200 per day with Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies using a BitPay wallet, accepted on our website, mobile app, and in theaters." And if we do go to their website, you guys can see right here, you can now buy AMC Theaters digital gift cards up to $200 per day with Dogecoin and other cryptos using a BitPay wallet. So definitely a great sign. We did hear them say that they are going to be doing this, and he did run a poll on his Twitter that was unanimously, why can't I ever say that word? Unanimously, people did want them to accept Dogecoin as well. Now, why this is so big for the company, in my personal opinion, if they do, sell concessions and tickets with crypto and even just hold on to it for, you guys know how volatile crypto is. If they had collected crypto a couple weeks ago, they would be up a lot of money on, letting people do this. Hopefully that makes some sense. Crypto has been rallying. Crypto is very volatile, so it will go up in value if they hold on to some of this crypto. But regardless of that, I think it shows a lot of leadership experience as well as the want to innovate the company. This is not a company that is sitting back and basically folding their hands and saying, hey, whatever happens, happens. That's not what AMC is doing. They're actively innovating the business and doing literally everything they can to grow revenue and become a more sustainable company. And that is exactly what we see through all of these different things and programs that they have been doing, as well as paying down their highest interest debt. That was also a huge thing. Now, we're not seeing a reaction from AMC stock today. I think it's due to the fact that AMC is just a little bit depressed due to all the fear that we do still have in the marketplace. Now, overall, I do love the idea of them accepting cryptos, and I think it's going to be a great thing for the business. I don't expect it to obviously overtake card or cash. We're simply not at that level in the economy, but I do think you'll get that abstract group of people that are maybe, crypto bulls, or they just have Dogecoin laying around, that would definitely want to go and spend it, because there's not too many places you could take your Dogecoin and actually do something, get a product or a service. So I think this gives somebody an alternative, and statistically, if you own Dogecoin compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum, wouldn't you rather spend the Dogecoin over Bitcoin and Ethereum? I know I personally would, and a lot of younger people, they own Dogecoin and they are bigger spenders. So I do think Dogecoin will be a bigger driver of revenue than probably most other cryptos. Now, that is only my thesis on this. My thesis may not be correct. Who knows? That's why I want to hear your guys' opinion on this so much down below in the comment section. Now, let's move on to that. Kind of a hard topic to really go over and express, so pardon me for all of that. But we are going over what dark pool trading volume says about AMC stock. Dark pool activity has been a hot topic among AMC investors as trading volume seems elevated as of late. Wall Street memes discuss the impact of dark pool trading on AMC stock. AMC investors' long battle against dark pools is far from over. Apes believe that the lack of trading transparency drags AMC stock price, while market makers and large investment firms with short positions benefit. What are dark pools? Is it illegal? Dark pools can be an alternative trading system to the big exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange, for example. These systems provide certain investors with the ability to execute large trades without having to publicly disclose the transactions until execution is completed. The main purpose of dark pools is to generate liquidity, primarily for the benefit of buy-side buy-side institutions without much disruption to asset prices. High frequency and high volume traders may take advantage of dark pools since they have the need to move swiftly in the markets. And the best way to think about this is if you needed to buy, say, 10 million shares of a stock, if you started to put in $1 million orders at a time, you're going to run that ask up so fast that by the time you get executed, the share price is going to be up 10-20% or even more than that. So to kind of get around that, they will use dark pools, which I don't think is fair in and of itself. There should be the same, opportunities for institutional investors as there are for retail investors. If we have to, pay the market price, then who cares if you got to buy 10 million shares and pay whatever price you want? Buy in strategically at that point. That's my whole thing about this. And they ultimately, the running theory is if you're a market maker as well as a hedge fund, then you could essentially short shares, collect that feed from retail investors and cover or continue to short these shares in the dark pools before you even route the transactions. That's where my issue is. I don't think you should be able to be, I'm not going to say any names, but be a hedge fund as well as a market maker. I don't think that should be allowed in the system. And really the reason why I'm bringing this video to you guys again, because we go over, topics like this all the time about the dark pool here on this channel, is because I want to do my part. I feel like it's, somewhat my duty, even though I don't have a large following here on YouTube. I feel it's my duty to help get this information out, to try to make some kind of difference that I personally can. And as a collective, we have made a ton of difference here, just promoting, or not promoting, that's probably the wrong word, but exposing the dark pool trading fraud that has been going on. Now, dark pools are considered legal. However, the system is criticized for lack of transparency around trade operations. The prices traded on dark pools may diverge from the ones displayed on public exchanges, which can supposedly handicap retail investors. AMC's dark pool trading volume. Data reported of AMC trades suggests that on average of 64% of shares bought and sold over the past 20 days have come from dark pools. As a benchmark, in the US, estimates suggest that 40% of all executed trades are completed in dark pools and about 20% in Europe. An actively traded stock like Apple sees 50% of its activity happen in dark pools. Tesla 53%, Microsoft 40%, also 43% of meme peer. GameStop's shares trade volume happens in dark pools. So what's the difference? Why is 21% more of AMC shares being traded in dark pools, even compared to GameStop? It does not make a lot of logical sense why this is even happening. AMC's elevated dark pool trading helps to raise retail investors' suspicions. Market making firm Citadel Securities tweeted for the first time on the topic and defended itself from accusations of retail trading irregularities, calling it absurd. And then this is the tweet from Citadel. Conspiracy theories and plaintiffs' lawyers are trying to concoct an absurd story from regular way communications among Citadel Securities and the brokers who handle orders for retail investors. What AMC investors should expect. It is possible that dark pools may impact the equities market and stock prices. What stands out in the case of AMC is that the volume of shares traded in dark pools is higher than average. In spite of it, AMC stock has already rallied viciously twice this year. Regarding the apes, it is worth acknowledging the consequences of their vocal approach to this topic. Legal measures regarding dark pools may come to light soon since SEC Chairman Gary Gensler has shown that he is paying close attention to the matter. Apes are likely to keep following the discussion closely. Their desire to see AMC shares head to the moon depends on it. Very interesting verbiage here in this article. I think it's very interesting as well the fact that Citadel has actually came out and acknowledged this, which I mean is I guess a good and bad thing. It kind of shows that you're doing something wrong, because obviously these kind of communications shouldn't be happening a day before these stocks are actually being restricted. And then you get into that whole situation where, Robinhood chairman did sell his stock at $5 per share, but I don't want to get down that rabbit rabbit hole. All in all, I did want to bring you guys this information. Hopefully it was valuable to you. If it was, drop that like on the video, consider subscribing to the channel, as well as let me know down below in the comment section what you guys think about AMC accepting cryptocurrencies. Also, if you guys want to directly support the channel, links for free stock to Public and Webull, link down below in the description, as well as a link for the buy and sellers. We do it all. We day trade, swing trade, and make long-term investments with stock, options, and crypto. So if you guys want to be a part of that, it is very inexpensive. Anybody is financially able to join if they do want to be a part of that. With all of that being said, guys, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.